Hi all, the time is 4:40. I will wait for another 2 or 3 minutes for all to join, and then we will resume the session. Okay, the time is 4:45. We will resume the session. So I will first start with answering the doubts. So Maria has asked, is there any online platform like Google Colab? So we have Google Colab for Python. We don't have it for R. So as I said, R and RStudio are free. Hence, you can download it in your system locally and use it. Then moving on to the next doubt. Uh, so Kausika has asked, in R, for performing some operations, we have to install some packages. Is it the same in RStudio, or all the packages are inbuilt? So to answer your question, Kausika, RStudio has many inbuilt packages. but if the package that you are looking for is not available, you can install it. So if you see uh, to the right side of RStudio, you will have an option called packages, the third option, file, plots, then packages. So you have to go to packages, click on the package that you select the package that you want and click on install. So by this way you can install the packages that are not available by default. Then Adiban has asked, does R kernel work on Jupyter notebooks? Yes, Adiban, R kernel works on Jupyter notebooks. So finally, two people have asked some reference books to refer to for R. So as I said earlier, I have a PDF with me. So I will share that PDF to Saktivel sir at the end of the 3 days session. However, I will suggest books for reference at the end of this session to Saktivel sir, and he will share it with you. So having clarified the doubts, I will just give you an intro of what we are going to see tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be looking at data structures. Today we saw the fundamentals of R. Tomorrow we will see the a bit more advanced concept, which is data structures. So what is a data structure? A data structure is a collection of data. It talks about relationships among data and possible operations on data. So in R, we have uh, five different or five major data structures. They are vectors, matrices, arrays, lists, and data frames. So today we had a look at one data structure, which is vectors. So if you see, we have used the collection of concepts C. So this collection of is nothing but a vector. So let me tell you more about vectors. Vector is nothing but a data structure in which values of the same data type can be stored. So it can hold any number of values, and it's nothing but an one-dimensional array. So the property of array is it holds values of same data type. So vector is a special type of array in which there is only one dimension. That is, there is either one row or one column. So this is one data structure that we saw today. Tomorrow we will be looking at each of the data structures in detail. That's it for today. So before ending the session, I would like to get your feedback on how the session was. So I personally enjoyed the session very much because I thought that some people may be talking and disturbing the session, but there was absolutely no disturbance while handling the session. So first of all, I would like to thank everyone for patiently listening to the session without disturbing it, being attentive and being interactive. Okay, Satish says it was good to learn new things, sir. Cool, thanks, Satish. So you can either unmute yourself and give your feedback, or you can type it in the comment section. So I am absolutely fine with negative feedback too, because I believe that it will help me improve in the future sessions. So you can type in your feedback in the chat window. Okay. Gayatri says, we learned a lot today, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Gayatri. So you can, it was understand easily. Thank you for teaching us new things. Your teach is very clean and understandable. Yeah. Thanks, Maria. Thanks, Thanos. Thanks, Nitish Ram. Thanks, Seema. So you can take the next 5 minutes for posting your feedback. Then we will call it a day off. We will meet tomorrow. So let's see the suggestions or feedback that you give. So Muniappan says, wonderful session, sir. Thank you, Muniappan. Pushpalata says, it is very useful to us, sir. Thank you, Pushpalata. So Adiban is asking, will we cover the packages like TDR and such? To answer you, Adiban, so here I won't be concentrating much on packages. I would be concentrating on the fundamentals and data structures, then a practical application of them in the form of a use case. So in a 3 day session, that's the scope I can see. So we won't be able to cover packages in a short 3 day session. Probably if we meet later at a lengthy session, so like a 10-day or 7-day session, we will discuss about packages too. Thanks, Adiban. So Mahbooba says that this session is very useful and looking forward for the next session. Thanks, Mahbooba. So Thanos and Dinesh want more examples and a practical real-time example. So Thanos, to answer your question, on day 3, we will discuss a case study, which will be a real-time practical example wherein we would be implementing whatever we studied in day 1 and day 2. So Dinesh Kumar asks for additional examples. Dinesh, I have provided examples in the PPT that I will be sharing with Saktivel sir, and he will share it to you at the end of the session today. So on the context of additional examples, I was executing examples apart from the ones that I had in my slides, and I was also asking you for your inputs. So you can use it as a base to try new things. Also, you can refer to the books that I suggest for more examples. Subhashri says, thank you, sir. It was very interesting. Thanks, Subhashri. Yeah, thanks, Dinesh. Thanks, Thanos. Okay, so we have just 4 minutes to close the session. So if anyone has anything to say or ask, you can either post in the chat window or unmute yourself and ask. So I will be available for the next 4 minutes. Then we will meet tomorrow.
Prakash sir, I think no one come forward.
Okay, sir.
I think we can close this session today.
Okay, sir.
The session is very useful, sir, and you are very good in and explaining the things to discipline students from many disciplines. Really good. As you said, I think every day that particular slides can be shared at the end of the day. I think it will be better. Or if you wish, you can give all the 3 days together at the third day. Also, you can share.
Sir, I will give it at the end of each day, sir.
I think that is better because students, when they get time tomorrow, I think it is holiday for many students, so they can work. If you give today's slide only, they will work. And next day, I think the connection will be there tomorrow afternoon.
Sure, sir.
So once you give, then I will share it to every student, every participant.
Sure, sir. So they asked me for a reference books, so I will share the PPT and other installation guidelines that we discussed today, and I will also give you the reference books list, sir, at the end of the session.
Then further you can
sorry, sir, I didn't hear it.
Yes, the third end we will give. Monday evening we can give the list of reference book. And,
okay, sir.
material also, today as a session only is enough to share with them. Tomorrow after class is over, then after 5 p.m. we can share next day, second day schedule.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Very kind of you. Okay. The recording, I think, sir will send to me.
Yes, sir. So I have recorded the session. I am using Muthu sir's GoToMeeting conference only. So I will ask him to send it to you, sir.
Okay, so it takes some time. Anyhow, you will say no problem. So because the processing time will take, because a lengthy video, it consume a lot of time. You used to send tonight only you send. Okay, I will get it from you, no problem.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Sir, Seema is asking, she took leave for 2 days in Python class, so whether she will get certificate or not.
Certificate, it doesn't matter. If they learn, we can give, no problem. No problem, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thing is, they get knowledge, that is important. Certificate is not going to get the things done. But anyhow, we will look into it because 1 or 2 days, genuine reason, we will ignore it and we will give the certificate, no problem. So certificate, we don't mind that, it's not a big deal, but still, they're supposed to attend because near registration and getting a certificate is not possible, but please attend, no problem. I think. As far as our case is concerned, we have no issues.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks all. It was a nice time having you guys. So we will meet tomorrow. Thank you, sir. Thanks all.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.